Is your Apple Watch stuck flashing on the Apple logo? This issue can happen due to incomplete updates or low battery problems. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Apple Watch flashing on the Apple logo. Let's get started. Solution 1. Reset your Apple Watch. First, press and hold both the side button and the digital crown simultaneously for about 10 seconds. If still Apple Watch stuck flashing on the Apple logo, follow my next solution. Solution 2. Check the charger. Make sure you're using the official Apple Watch magnetic charging cable or USB-C magnetic fast charging cable. Check that the cable is securely plugged into the USB power adapter and that the adapter is firmly plugged into a working power outlet. And then charge it for about 1 hour. If it won't work, then charge it overnight. Solution 3. Force restart Apple Watch. Now connect your charger to your Apple Watch. Then press and hold both the side button and the digital crown simultaneously until the Apple logo appears. Now hold off and wait to restart. Solution 4. Unpair iPhone. Grab your iPhone. Find the Apple Watch app. Open the app. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap Reset. Tap Erase Apple Watch Content and Settings. Now tap Erase All Content and Settings. Again, tap Erase All Content and Settings. Enter your Apple ID password. And then tap Erase from the top right corner. This is how you can fix the Apple Watch stuck flashing on the Apple logo. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye for today.